The Iris Garage Door Controller is easy to pair. Before you begin, make sure your door opener has exposed terminals. Follow the installation instructions to attach the tilt sensor mounting plate to the top panel of your garage door. Remove the battery tab from the tilt sensor and attach it to the plate, ensuring both arrows are pointing up. Open the Iris app and go to the Add section, tap Device, and browse or search for the device. This will put the hub in pairing mode, indicated by a blinking green light. Plug the garage door controller into an electrical outlet close to where it will be installed. Do not connect it to your garage door motor yet. Press the link button once. When the hub triple beeps, your device has been paired. Mount the garage door opener and connect it to your garage door motor as described in the installation instructions. Finally, configure the tilt sensor orientation by manually opening and closing the garage door before controlling it through Iris.